Hi, my name is Jason Friesen with Laguna Tools. Today I'm really excited to show you our brand new SmartShop Maker. This machine has some really cool features. The new SmartShop Maker has a 5.5 horsepower Italian-made spindle, 6-zone vacuum table, 8-position automatic tool changing with automatic tool touch-off, and an upgraded version of the handheld controller. We also build all this on the same welded tubular steel frames that we're known for, and we're featuring a 12-inch gantry clearance on this machine as well. So we built the SmartShop Maker with really a lot of different industries in mind. Today we want to show you making a sign on this machine. So we're going to cut a couple different materials. We're going to cut wood and acrylic. So enjoy watching it. If you have any questions, again, please feel free to give us a call here at Laguna Tools or look us up on the web. Thank you.